Hi everyone, this video is to show you like how to factory reset of your old phone and then make it like your new phone. Okay, so you just go to your setting here, just find the setting button, click on it, and then find about your phone. So about phone, then you just click on this one, then find the factory reset option here, factory reset, then just click on factory reset. But remember, before you do all factory reset here, then you remember to copy all your item. You can backup it, and then just click on erase all data if you confirm. Okay, then they will still remind you need to backup your item first. Okay, if you already backup, then you can just click on the factory reset here. Okay, then they still will have like attention, then you just wait for like a few seconds and then you can click on next. So it's actually just a warning like please make sure you back up all your important item, then click on next. Yeah, they will still remind you because this one will delete everything in your phone, then make your phone looks like a new phone. Okay, then click OK. Then now it will be restart and delete all your data in your phone. Okay, so just wait for a while. This will take around like 5 to 10 minutes, so just wait for a while. Okay, once complete, they will return to this main page. This one is like the new, like your phone in the new condition. So you can just click on next to set up your phone. Just click on next here. Okay, then choose your language. Then click on next. Then select your region. Next. Okay, and then you have to agree all this policy. Then yes, then click next. Okay, check for your SIM card. If you haven't put any SIM card, just click on next. Then connect Wi-Fi, connect to the network, no need, skip. Okay, wait for your Google service set. And then your screen lock, you want to have like screen lock, fingerprint or face unlock. You don't want, then you can just skip it. Okay, then wait for a few minutes to let your phone to set up. This one is basic setting, just click next. And then this one is for your lock screen, wallpaper, just skip. And then yeah, you can choose your classic or add drawer, just click on next. Just wait for a few minutes, then your phone will be finished setup. Okay, now your phone is ready, then just click on next. Wait for a while. Then you can go to your like gallery, see any picture inside. It should be nothing. Then your setting, then you can check on your phone, about your phone, and then check on the memory. So the storage, like clear everything. Then this one is 25.8 gigs should be your system, only your system. Okay, so that's all. Okay, thank you guys.